1%.
Yeah, it's the lower calorie. So you put your eggs in a bowl, and then you add your milk.
I know how to do it. You're recording me.
Of course. Your grandma's watching you cook. Okay, so
I don't have to do it. I need a fork. And I need a lid. Do you have the lid? Do you have the lid?
a little lid.
That go the milk
Oh.
lid.
Yeah, I have it somewhere. I put it somewhere. All right, you mix your eggs. You know what I always do?
What?
Makes it easier. What I always do first is I stab the yolk. That way they break. And then it's much easier. And you know what? If that one's too hard, Grandma's got this kind of like old one. This is an old one.
Is that one back in the 19th?
Probably. Chris. This is older than Grandma, okay?
Oh, Papa probably got it.
Okay.
Because he's older than you.
No, I'm older than Papa.
No.
Yes, I am. I know, I look younger, but I'm really older than him.
I know. Stop recording.
Okay, come on, let's bring your eggs. So, okay.
I have to put the oil, not too much.
Okay, there you go. Be careful. Pour slowly. Okay. I'm not recording just you. I'm recording the process we're watching here. I know Grandma's counter is dirty. That's because we were gone so long, so late last night. Okay. There you go. All right.
Let it sit. And we gotta put
Do you
the
add salt?
pepper.
Okay, there's salt.
I know.
Right there.
You got any pepper?
Yeah, I got pepper in that thing right there. But you got to be careful because
If you put
somebody broke the thing, and if you don't hold this down like this, it's all going to spill out.
That's what happened to me. It was like loose.
Yeah. Woo! You're Mexican. You like that pepper.
Heck yeah. Mix.
So you're scrambling.
I like boiled
Now's your
eggs
flame.
too.
Are you looking at your flame to make sure it's not too high?
It's a low.
Okay.
It's on
That's
really low.
yeah, that's kind of a medium.
Oops. Always get the sides. Make sure you get all the eggs.
Okay.
And then let it sit for a minute.
Mm-hmm. Don't take off. You don't want it to burn.
I will.
You'll be having black eggs. Yeah.
I like them brown. They look good and they taste good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's check on them.
Ooh.
Ooh.
We had eggs last night. I did for dinner. Because we went to Cracker Barrel.
Crackle Barrel, no fair.
Yes. Yeah, but look at the restaurant we took you to. You went to Abuelo's, which is
Really fancy.
Mm-hmm.
And expensive.
Yes, expensive, good food, and it's a beautiful place. Daniel had a cheeseburger, mac and cheese,
I
and
know, I heard that. Mashed potatoes and gravy.
yes, and Papa had steak and gravy, and Grandma had eggs.
That's all? Eggs and ketchup?
No, I had eggs with hash brown casserole. And I had fried apples. I know, that's my favorite thing. And biscuits. I shouldn't have had that, but I've done really well on my diet, so I didn't feel horrible.
And why are you talking about your diet right now?
That's okay. Because even on a diet, you get to eat good food sometimes. But I eat a lot of eggs because they're
really healthy and they're really good.
high
Boiled
protein.
Boiled eggs are really healthy too.
I had those yesterday at Rachel's for breakfast.
I like boiled eggs. They're my favorite. Wow, look at that. That looks so good.
Is that how you like it?
Yeah, I like it like this.
Yeah, you like brown. All right, so let Grandma get a plate.
Gold.
You better get a plate. Oh, God, Grandma ain't got no plates in here.
You used them?
Oh, my God, they're all in the dishwasher. Hold on. All right. One clean plate for Christian. Here you go. All right. Well, you don't mind yours being a little dark, so that's good.
That's why I'm leaving them on.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you going to be? You want to be a chef?
No.
Why not?
Because Mom said I can't because my bracket broke.
A chef is a cook.
Oh, I thought you were like a server and walking at it.
No, not a server. I don't want you to be a server all your life. I want you to be the chef.
Fire!
Not that there's anything wrong with the server, but you'd make a lot more money being a chef. And if you love to cook, and being a chef, you'll be able to learn to cook for your family.
Yeah. That's what I want to hear.
Yes.
Oh,
I always cooked for my family.
I know you do.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, Grandma's a cook.
You are.
But my mama taught me to cook.
For years.
And I taught your mama to cook.
For years.
Yeah.
Wow.
And believe it or not, that's more lucky to have a mama that cooks than to go to McDonald's every day.
Fat. Ever eat so much McDonald's? Fat.
Well, you get fat eating home cooked food too, Chris.
That too.
Or your grandma wouldn't be on a diet. But you can eat healthier at home too.
Yeah, way healthier.
Yeah.
I want this one brown. Why won't it turn brown?
I don't know, but
It's fine.
Okay, turn your flame off first.
I know that. Okay, which way is it?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's.
Yeah, it's backwards. Okay.
Yeah, that's how ours is too. I thought it was would be the other. I'll still let it sit because it's still kind of hot, and I still use the hotness that's in the pan.
Yeah, I do that too.
See,
especially with like a grilled cheese sandwich. Because when you use butter, it cooks so fast.
It does.
Yeah, it'll burn real easy.
It will. Wait, you want some?
No.
Okay.
Go ahead. I've already had 2 cups of coffee, so I'm okay right now. Plus, I just took my...
Pills.
Yeah. I have a thyroid pill I take, so I can't eat for an hour after that. All right. Yay! Scrambled eggs.
I'm not done.
Oh, you're not?
No.
What are you doing now? Squirting the ketchup?
No.
What are you going to do now? More salt? Oh, jeez. You're like your grandpa.
Okay. I want to cook more.
Oh, my
That's
goodness.
not just my breakfast.
Well, what do you want to cook?
No.
Don't hide in the fridge, Chris. All right. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.